Okay, so in order to do this problem, I gave you guys the information that when you have a radius that crosses a chord in the circle, it cuts it into two equal pieces. They want you to find angle AOB, so I'm going to, I don't know why I'm going to use the screen highlighter, but I guess I'm doing that. So AOB is this right here. Now, I can't actually use, wait, let me see. I don't know why I did that. Okay, I'm just going to go back to my thing here. AOB is right here. All right, and then, oh, I see what the problem is. I realize that this is my right triangle, so I'm going to have to deal with in here first. And so I'm going to just do part of it. Why is that happening? Okay, this is not working. Okay. I'm right here. And so this is my hypotenuse and this is my adjacent side. So I'm going to use my cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then I'm going to get cosine of theta that I just still don't know it is my adjacent over my hypotenuse. Now, one of you guys put in 4.5 over 4, and that won't work because your hypotenuse needs to be on the bottom. It knows it's not the hypotenuse because the hypotenuse is bigger. It's the biggest side of the triangle, right? Okay. So the bigger number will never be on top for sine and cosine. Okay? All right. Then we just went over this. In order to get theta by itself, I do the inverse on both sides. It cancels out on that side. All right, who can tell me what the answer for this one is? Sorry, what? 27.3. 27.3? Okay. Is that my answer for the problem? No, it's not the answer because only this is right here. Do you guys remember the information about similar triangles? Is this not an SAS situation? Side, angle, side, similarity? So that means that this side is also 27.3. And so what is my total going to be? F 54.5 degrees.